Are you ready? It's finally time. Since August of 2021, we're gonna beat up this guy. Come on. Bring it on! I've been waiting for you. Poop! I knew that you, with your skills, would eventually reach me here. There's no need for words now. We will battle. Yeah, I'm stronger. Yeah, I know. You got 3 illegal Pokemon. I accept your challenge! This is the best song in the game and one of the best in the series. He leads off with Gyarados. And I should have ethered up my Thunder Punch, but this should OHKO. Yeah, the Dragon Trainer starts off with a Water Flying type. Many people make the joke that instead of a Dragon Trainer, Lance should be called the Flying Trainer, the Bird Keeper. This guy has 3 Dragonites, all illegal because he doesn't evolve until level 55, and his highest level of Dragonite is level 50. Alright, this is the first one. I believe in you, John. I don't think this will do very much. You're not a special attacker, but I just want to see. It's 4 times super effective. That's actually more than I thought it would be. Oh, dang it. Oh, that definitely kills. Well, I want to get some chip damage in. We can use items in the final battle. I'm gonna sack Rice here. It has to be done. Alright, where are I bought so many revives. Down up here, 12 of them. Okay, just revive. I don't have any other items to use. I wanted to see if I had anything, but whatever. My whole plan is John here, but I don't know if it'll even work. Oh. Hey, Rice lives. I get an extra turn to heal him up. Heal that sucker. Alright. Thunder. Rice lives again? Okay, I guess I'll try takedown. That's not even that bad. What are you doing, Lance? Dude. He's probably gonna heal here, though. Oh, it finally hits, but come on, dude. Literally use anything and I die. Oh, like that. Alright, goodbye, Rice. You did well. Critical hit. You did well. Now, Jim, finish it. I'm trying to save John, because he has 2 more after this. No heal, alright. Yeah. Alright, 4 to go. Come on. What you got for me? The second one. Alright, he has 3 Dragonites, an electric one, an ice one, and a fire one. I think this is the ice one? Maybe. I don't know. Just hit him, John. Come on. Alright, come on, come on. Come on. That's good damage, that's good damage. Speed fell. Thunder wave. That's right, come on. Come on. I'm actually kind of nervous. Okay. He might heal, No. Ugh. That was slower anyways. Come on. Ugh. Crud balls. Wait, we might Yes! Come on. Yes. Here we go, okay. Come on, 3 to go. Halfway down. Aerodactyl. Alright. K. Here we go. Come on. Man, I really should have healed up then. Ooh. That's good damage, that's good damage. Come on, no! We take that. We take that. We... Oh, gosh. Alright, 2 more. Alright. 2 more dragons left. Well, dragon and a half, but... Come on, we are so close. Oh, it's final Dragonite. I'm gonna sack Kay. There's no reason to keep her alive, I'm sorry. I'll use it to heal John up. Come on, we're gonna win, come on. Come on. Oh no. Oh. Come on. Oh, dude. We survive. We can survive an outrage or 2. Come on, just kill it, dude. Survive. Survive. 10 levels above. What? We take that so well. He should be confused next turn. Alright, we can take this. Come on. That's good damage. You are so close, John. Come on. He's confused. Hit yourself. Hit yourself. What? We take that. We take that. No, no. Oh, jeez. Okay, red... Going to Jaco. I feel like he can finish him. Fly, come on. This might have been a bad idea. Oh, what? This might have been a bad idea. Oh, that was a bad idea. Oh, I do not take that. Oh, I do? Ah. Well, it was inevitable. Come on. You got this. Well, crap baskets. Oh my gosh. Alright, we're gonna do a double sack here. I have to heal John. This is all we have left. Oh shoot, we might lose this. Oh my gosh. I think... Oh. Jim. Come on, man. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Jim. Dang. Alright, we can take another one. Hit yourself. Ugh, finally. I didn't do nothing. Shadow Ball. Come on, Jim. Come on, Jim. It's not bad, I get. Oh, come on. Ugh. Oh, come on, we take that so easily. Yes! Shadow Ball. Heal myself. I'll heal myself. Because I can take anything you dish at me. Dragonite. Oh, did more than I thought. Anyways, come on. You better not heal. Oh, that's the same damage output as last time. Oh, so close, you better not heal. It's all up to you. Come on, John! Kill him. That's... God, one more. Finish him. He's a fire type. Wing attack? That's funny. Now you die. Okay, he probably survives this. Yeah, okay. And... oh, shoot. Okay. And now you die. Who the heck are you? Why are you ruining my thunder? Prof. Oak. It has been a long time. Just saying. Years, in fact. Yep. Yep. Nah. Nope. I'm leaving. Goodbye. Oh wait, we haven't done the interview. No. Is that on my screen? It's been a long time since I last came here. This is where we honor the Pokemon League champions for all eternity. Gracious Pokemon. Yep. It's been quite the adventure. The new league champion. That's me, Poop. Now it's time to honor the team that got us here. Please say thank you. K the Electabuzz. Jim the Umbreon. John the Red Gyarados. Jaco the Crobat. And finally, our starter Red Rock the Typhlosion. Oh! Rice the Airgrass. I actually forgot. I am so sorry. 2929. Rating. Nothing? Okay. Alright. Yep. Oh, okay. What? Oh. Okay. Well, that's the end. I'm not going to Kanto, at least not right now. Anyways, thank you for joining me on this very long ride. I don't know why I'm doing that voice. Okay guys, I'm just gonna let these credits play out. I don't really have anything left to say. It's quite anticlimactic, but thank you, and adios!